Good morning, children. So up to now, what we learned, children? What is the second chapter name? Angle. What is called an angle, children? Angle is formed at common point of the two line segments. Angle is formed at a common point of two line segments. Okay. Here it forms an angle. Okay. And what do you call this common point? This common point is called vertex. What do you call, ma? Common point is called vertex. Okay. And what is the name of this angle? Angle BAC. Angle BAC or angle CAB or angle CAB. Okay, ma'am. And next, what do you call AB and AC? AB and AC are called arms of the angle. What do you call? Arms of the angle. So angle is formed at a common point of two line segments or two rays. Okay, and the common point is called vertex. And what is the name of this angle? Is angle BAC or angle CAB. You always you have to write the vertex in the middle only. Always you have to write the vertex in the middle only. Okay. And what do you call AB and AC? Are called the arms of the angle. Arms of the angle. And next, what we learn? We learn how to measure angles and types of angles. What is called type? How many types of angles are there, children? How many types of angles are there? 4 types we learn. Okay, first one is right angle. Right angle means what, ma? Horizontal ray and vertical ray meets a common point, that is called right angle. How many degrees for right angle? 90 degrees. Okay. And second one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. What is called obtuse angle, children? Smaller than right angle. Smaller than right angle. Okay, that is called obtuse angle. How many degrees obtuse angle, children? It is 0 degree centigrade to less than 90 degrees. 0 degrees to less than 90 degrees are called obtuse angle. Sorry, not acute angle. Acute angle is 0 degrees to less than 90 degrees. And next one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than right angle. Greater than right angle. That means it is greater than 90 degrees to less than 180 degrees. It is greater than right angle. No, so that's why greater than 90 degrees to less than 180 degrees obtuse angle. And next one is straight angle. Straight angle is, it looks like straight. That is called straight angle. How many degrees it is? 180 degrees. So what are the types of angles we learned, children? Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle. Right angle is 90 degrees, acute angle is 0 degrees to less than 90 degrees, and obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees to less than 180 degrees, and straight angle is 180 degrees. And how to measure angles with protractor? With protractor, we measure the angles. That up to there we have to learn. Now we are going to the next topic is symmetry. What is the next topic? Symmetry. Open your studio, all of you, page number 30. Page number 30. Open your studio, page number 30. See this web activity, children. Figure 9 shows the different positions of an arrow. See here, first one position is like this. It is the original shape. It is the original shape. Now it will turn to like this. Okay, and next like this, and next like this. And what is the next position? This is the original position. It will turn to right side like this. Okay, and next it will turn to like this, and it will turn to like this. Okay, it will turn to like this. Now it will turn to like this shape. Okay, now it will look down to this shape. Okay, now what is the next position? See here, some options are given here. Click in the correct arrow to complete figure 9. So which shape will come again? First one. Okay. First it will turn to this shape. Now again this will turn to like this, and it will turn to like this. Okay. So next position is turn to up. Okay. So what is the next position? As the original shape it will come. Okay. So you have to circle this shape. Circle the correct arrow to complete figure. Next, in fact 2.11, the original position of the arrow and its last position are the same. See here, first position original shape and it is the last shape. Both are same or not? Yes, both are same position. The arrow has turned 4 times in the clockwise direction from the original position to the last position. This arrow will move to how many turns in a first turn, second turn, third turn, fourth turn. After 4 turns, it will come to same position, original position. Okay. So original, first turn, second turn, third turn, fourth turn. So shapes and objects that look the same after a number of rotations are said to have rotational symmetry. All of you open your CWs, children. Open your CWs. Put the heading rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Shapes and objects. Shapes and objects that look the same. That look the same after a number of rotations. A number of rotations are said to have rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. So shapes and objects that look the same after a number of rotations are said to have rotational symmetry. Okay, children, you can write the example like this. Already we drawn now. This is the original position. Now it will turn to like this. This is the first turn. And next, second turn. Next, third turn. Again fourth turn. This is the fourth turn. How many turns it will become to original shape? 4 turns. Okay, children? Come on, write. Draw this one also. Right, first turn, second turn, third turn, fourth turn. Next one, see children. Studio page number 31. Quarter turn, 1/4 turn. Okay. Some shapes look the same after a quarter turn. Look at the shapes in the table. A dot has been placed to help you observe the turns. See this one? Here one shape is that this is the original shape. Here dot is drawn here. Okay. If you turn here, first turn, it will get here. Next second turn, it will get here. Third turn, it will get here. Fourth turn, it will get here. So what is the fourth turn? It looks like same original shape. Okay. So how many turns here? 4 turns. Next one, see, original shape is there here. Dotted is here. Now first turn, it will come to here. Second turn, here. Third turn, fourth turn. Again, it looks the same. Fourth turn is it looks like same as the original shape. Next, see this one. This is the original shape. Dot here. First turn, it will come to here. Second turn, third turn, fourth turn. That fourth turn is looks like as the original shape. Did you understand now? So the shape looks the same after a 1/4 turn. It looks the same after a 1/4 turn. That means 1/4 turn means 4 turns. Okay. Now see there, circle the shape that will look the same after a 1/4 turn. See the companion. Companion. 2D. Yes, see page number 12. Circle the shapes that will look the same after a 1/4 turn. Here some shapes are given, children. Which shapes are come to the original shape of 1/4 turn? That you have to circle it. Okay, ma'am? That is the homework. Page number 12, companion. Next, take the studio. See the page number 32. Hands and activities. Collect a square piece of paper from your teacher. Place a small dot in one of the corners. All of you take one square paper, children. See here. This is the square paper. Okay, this is the square paper. I dotted here in the corner. Okay. Now, this is the original shape. Original position it is. Now, I am moving the first turn. First turn. Okay, it will here. Second turn. It will here. Next, third turn. It will here. Fourth turn. Again, it will come to the original position. Okay, how many turns it is? 4 turns. After 4 turns, it will look the same. So, how many turns? It is a 1/4 turn or not? Yes, 1/4 turn. Okay, ma'am. After how many quarters, 1/4 turns, does the square come back to its original position? How many turns? 4 turns. Right here, 4 turns. 4 turns. In this black, write all of you 4 turns. 4 turns. Next, take the pictures that will look the same after a quarter turn. You have to take the pictures. See here, some shapes are given here. So, which shape will come to the original position? Which how many turns? 1/4 turns. See here. Here 4 sides are there. So, it is 1/4 turn. Put the tick mark. Bottle. Is there any 4 sides? No. So it is no. Next here 4 sides are there. So that's why it turns quarter turn. So you have to tick it. If any object or shape having 4 sides, then it will be moved to 1/4 terms. Okay, then it will look the same original shape. Did you understand now?